point of Better Sheets is to make your life in Google Sheets better. Quite specifically, you should enjoy your time in Google Sheets. You should feel confident. You should feel like you have control over Google Sheets and that you don't get lost inside of Google Sheets. But I wanted to introduce you to Sheet Styles by Better Sheets. It's a completely free Google Sheet add-on, and it's available right now. You can go download it. If you go check out bettersheets.co/products, as it is right now, you can go find Sheet Styles and a link there, or go to sheetstyles.bettersheets.co, and I'll have a link in the description here. I wanted to introduce this to you because it's a completely free Google Sheets add-on. All you have to do once you install it is go to Sheet Styles, go to Extensions, Sheet Styles, and show Sidebar, and you'll show this sidebar. It comes with some presets already, and what it does, in one click, it will change the background color, the font, and the font color to less contrast immediately, but we have a few different styles here. Paper style is this sort of a beige-ish paper, almost paper background with Carla font and a bit of a less black text color. We have Papyrus if you want it a little bit darker, a little bit more browner, grayer. If you're looking for a way to see different lines and see the different rows, we have Data Management Style, which makes it alternating colors as you see there. And if you're really into the dark mode, we have Dark Style as well. Now, if you are working in a Google Sheet and you have work and you're working on this and you're using Sheet Styles and you're like, but I don't want my boss to see this. I don't want someone else, my collaborator or colleague or coworker, to have to work this way. I want to work in my way and they need to work in their way, so I'm going to leave it as default. You can always reset to default, and that returns it to Arial font, the whitest white background, and the blackest black text. Now, if you don't like those presets, go over to this custom one here, and you will be able to change the font as you wish. Now you get to select your background color. Let's say it's a bit of a dark reddish, and your font color, let's say it's a bit of a light green. Maybe you want to make a Christmassy, festive color. Click Set Custom Style, and everything is changed for you. It also changes it to a Carla font because I really like Carla font. It's a much, much better font than Arial, at least in my book. So hope you use Sheet Styles, install it. It's absolutely free. Again, reset to default if you wish. Let me know what you think. You're more than welcome to email me and let me know what you think about, or comment down below. And check it out. Sheet Styles by Better Sheets. You can find it at Extensions, Add-ons, Get Add-ons, and search for Sheet Styles. If you wish, it's probably the fastest way. Go to any sheet, sheet.new, go to Extensions, Add-ons, Get Add-ons, and it'll be there. Thanks for watching.